management version of the application. Of course, I'll spare you the commentary from satisfied end users and move forward with the next phase of the presentation. One of the things I talked about earlier was the integration of Word forms and email. And I know it's been sorely lacking within the application, and certainly one of the bigger items in Microsoft's suggestion box as they were developing the application. And at times we had to resort to some third-party applications like Forms Printer in order to facilitate doing these kinds of things. Well, within this, I'm going to pop to one other demo click-through that we created here. And I'm going to walk through a demonstration of presenting how we can, as end users and lay people, actually modify the invoice forms. I should just get this presented up. This will take a moment. So many of you are familiar with this user interface. If you're pre-GP10, this is the navigation pane on the home page. We spent some time looking at the home page before and the richer metrics that are presented. The navigation pane here allows us to create, I guess, something similar to smart lists and being able to cull down our open order file. It provides wildcard searching within here and action pane access so that I can select particular orders and generate picking tickets in mass, or select all by clicking this box and generate invoices and doing a variety of other actions within the application. It's pretty nifty. You have a lot of flexibility here in terms of its design. Not quite as flexible as Smart Lists, but certainly a nice way to be able to cull through your data and certainly search and find your data. By focusing in on this one particular order, you'll notice right here I can print the document right through the application. And I'm going to go through a Microsoft Word template. And then going through this template, you can see this Word form allows us to drop in logos, graphics, allows you to now access and change this particular template. And I'm going to show you how we do that just by clicking right through here, going into template maintenance, being able to click through, modify the blank invoice form, and bring it up in Word. So this is the back-end template that the software is going to use. Putting in logos, changing fonts, changing color scheme, anything like that is all just a matter of working within standard Microsoft Office technologies. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go a little bit deeper into here, into this developer tab, and I wouldn't want you to be frightened by the term developer because, and the furthest thing from a developer, yet I've been working through this a little bit, and it's kind of easy. Going into my report header fields, by clicking through there, I bring up my header options. I'm able to then identify the fact that I've now just hit insert, and I'm going to want to drop in an address line here. And I'm going to drop in address line number 2 directly into that field and shift to address line 2 directly into that open space that I had just created. I'm going to save out this template, rewrite my existing template, and I have now just modified my invoice form, printing all my invoices in mass, print my document, using that same template, and voila, I've now got address line 2 with the attention line, which is where I stored that information within the database. Really that easy. Very straightforward and doable without any programming assistance. The next phase that we'll look at is I want to take some time to drill into the concept of emailing invoices, emailing purchase orders, or emailing statements, again, without the use of the Forms Printer application. And even if you are still using Forms Printer, we can still use this email function. Just select it. They're in progress. On the other end, this is an example of what that invoice might look like. So pretty straightforward, very nice feature built into the ribbon tab within the application, and gives you the capability to maintain a higher level of control over the process. I'll spare you